Starting from the beginning of the Quran, the Surah Al-Fatiha, one of the advice here is about the accountability. If the next surah, the Surah Al-Baqarah, is also has lots of mention about accountability, especially the biggest ayat or words of the Quran, which is in Surah Al-Baqarah, is also about accountability, about our accounts to others. And that's the biggest verse in the Quran in Surah Al-Baqarah. It's almost in the ending of Surah Al-Baqarah. And that verse is one whole page of verse, the biggest verse of the Quran. And Allah is commanding there that whenever you have a transaction of buy and sell or giving loan or credit, borrowing, lending, but without interest, write it down. Allah commanded to write it down and make witness over it. And He said, even if it is a small transaction or a big transaction, make it, write it down. And that is the whole system of accounting. That is, whole world is based on the accounting. Everything needs accounting. Even the computer system needs accounting. Everyone, office, house, shop, even in the house matter, you need to accounting, writing down what is the expenses, etc. So Allah is mentioning one of the greatest commandment in the Quran, for which Allah make the biggest verse of the Quran is talking about accounting. Because Allah say that make write down, because we are human being, and human being, one of the nature of the human being is forgetfulness. What you remember today, after some time you will not remember it anymore, and that can cause lots of disputes among the people. So Allah said, Sagiratan or Kabira, either it's a small transaction or a big transaction, write it down, make writing. And that is how important is this. The whole world, if there is no accounting, there will be lots of trouble in the world. So what is very beautiful teaching of the Quran, it's about whatever transactions we have, we need to write it down. And we need to follow that, because Allah command us to write down all transactions. All transactions must be write down. So we can do we can check our inventories, we can check our sales, we can check our importation, we can check our profit and loss. And that's how we can plan for our business. And it's not just a business matter. Example, you're working with someone and someone is giving you money to buy something. You have to write it down, everything, one by one, until you will find out that you have 10 centavos is with you, which you have to pay for the person you are working with. And you have to return it the 10 centavos. Even if it is 1 peso, you have to return it the 1 peso. Because this will be called accountability, and it will be questioned on the Day of Judgment. Prophet Muhammad said, whenever he makes Salatul Janazah, then people bring in the masjid that person who has died, and then before he can lead the Salatul Janazah to pray for him, to Allah to forgive him, he will always ask, this person has any debt? And the people said, yes, he has a debt. And Prophet said, I will not pray for him. Means he died. He did the very big negligence that he did not pay for his accounts. So that is how important is accountability in Islam. That the biggest surah verse of the Quran is about accounts, and the biggest, one of the most important question of Prophet Muhammad for a dead person, was he able to pay his accounts? So it's very important for us to clear our accounts, write our accounts, deal with our accounts, or else we will be going to have lots of trouble in our accounting, in our system. So that's a very beautiful learning in the Quran, and the life of the Prophet Muhammad is to do about accounting. Assalamu alaikum. Where there is a question here, Justine. Assalamu alaikum. Where I can get my Islam conversion? Okay, you can do Islam conversion by verbally, that I testify there is no other God except Allah, and I testify that Muhammad is the last prophet, messenger of Allah, and I testify that Jesus is son of Mary, is prophet and a slave of Allah. Or in Tagalog, ako is masaksi wala ibang Diyos na dapat sambahin maliban kay Allah, at ako is masaksi si Muhammad, huling propeta, sugo ng Allah, at ako is masaksi si Jesus, anak ni Maria, alipin at propeta ng Allah. Or in Arabic, ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah, wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh, wa ashhadu anna Isa ibn Maryam abdullah wa nabiyuh. But if you're talking about the certificate, then you have to go to the NCMF, the National Commission on Muslim Filipinos in Fairview in Quezon City. Then you can apply your conversion certificate there.